Most of you will never get corporate clients, not because your service sucks, but because your entire approach screams amateur. So let's fix that today step by step. Step number one, your branding looks cheap. If your logo looks random and your colors are just vibes, please stop. Corporate clients buy into brand trust before anything else. I suggest you use black and white as your base. It's timeless, it's elegant, and it's safe. And before you pick any other color, look up the meaning behind it. Colors speak psychology, and psychology sells. If you have any doubt, I advise you to go check brands like Chanel, Dior, Mercedes, any luxury brand, and come back here in the comments and tell us what pattern you see. Number two, you have no process. You can't run a business off of carelessness. Corporate clients expect systems, not vibes. You need a clear structure, a professional company like an LLC, not John's Booth, and a very precise workflow: inquiry, proposal, contract, delivery, follow-up, and of course, a payment schedule. If you don't have these, they won't even consider you. Now, before I keep going, if you're new here, people call me Bill. I'm the guy who worked with almost every 5-star venues in Paris. And trust me, Paris venues are amongst the most spectacular in the world. And my goal is pretty simple. I want to give you all the tools to build a profitable photo booth business and land your dream clients. So now that we know each other, let's get into the fun stuff. Number three, you do not know how to talk to them. Let me say this once. Never ever use the word affordable. That word kills credibility instantly. And do not even drop a price before asking the right questions. Instead, you want to build a custom proposal just for them. Make it look like you studied the brand, their tone, their audience, and their vibe. You're not selling a service, you are solving a problem. Point number four, you don't look legit. If you don't have a registered business, an actual invoice system, and a contract, you are in the dead water. Corporate clients want professionals, not freelancers fresh off their 9 to 5. You want to show them your previous work, ideally with a similar type of client. If you don't have any, it's not a big deal. You want to create a test project with friends and stuff like that because they don't want to be your first. Like, you have to remember that when someone has the money, they don't look for the cheapest option. They look for the best one out there. Point number five, you price yourself too low. You think low prices will help you get clients. No, it's actually a red flag. Here's why. They will question your equipment and legitimacy. The person managing that corporate budget needs to spend it to justify next year's increase. So if your quote is too low, you're not helping them. You're creating a problem. Point number six, you do not record everything you do. This one right here separates amateurs from professionals. I record every single thing. My setup, the behind the scenes, the vibe, the crowd reaction. And that's exactly how I build trust, even in new cities. Like when I moved in Charlotte, I hadn't done like a single event yet, but people still trusted me. Why? Because I had proof, visual proof. We've done luxury events for brands like LVMH, Dior, Shangri-La Paris, Le Crayon, Peninsula Paris, Le Pavillon Gabriel, and more. And I'll tell you this, none of you guys will believe me if I didn't show proof. Your clients feel the exact same way. Don't tell them, show them. Pain point number 7, you do not network smartly. If you ever land a corporate gig through your network, or no matter how, use it. Talk to other vendors, the GJs, the planners, the photographers, the coordinators. Give them your card. Explain your process, because those people are gold mines of referrals. And you are out there walking past them like they are invisible. Point number 8, you do not understand how humans work. Let's say John hires a photographer for his wedding. A week later, John needs a GJ or a photo booth. Who do you think John will call? Obviously the photographer, because he already trusts him. And that's exactly how most rich people book vendors, through trusted recommendations. None of them goes on Google or asks ChatGPT for the cheapest photo booth. 3 of our top weddings next year came from one wedding planner. She saw us once, trusted the result, and now she sends us her 5-star clients every single time. And guess what? We met her through a DJ who's a friend of mine. Shout out to you, Loic. And that's exactly how the real game works. Pain point number 9, your social media is weak. You post just because you have to, not to impress. And that's a huge mistake because online, perception is reality. Your Instagram bio says baby showers, birthdays, weddings, corporate events. Boom! You lost every corporate lead. Why? Because your target is unclear. You look like you would take anything that pays. When your offer looks generic, you become a commodity, not a brand. And the only question people will ask is, how much? Point number 10, you think corporate clients live on LinkedIn, and you are wrong for that. They are everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok. We got 100% of our corporate gigs from Instagram and Facebook. These people are humans, not robots. They scroll just like everyone else. You just have to post strategically, consistently, and where you are the strongest. Start with one platform, master it, then expand. Do not burn out trying to be everywhere. Point number 4, you do not dress the part. Let's be honest, appearance matters. My first year, I was showing up to weddings wearing shorts. I thought I was killing it, and I wasn't. When I started charging $3K, I realized that with big money comes big expectations. And you'll be amazed how these small details matter to wealthy people. They always have a dress code at their parties. All you have to do is respect it. Now my team and I wear clean black and gray suits, and we get compliments for it every single time. You cannot show up to a 5-star venue looking like a guest from another party. Elevate your look if you want to elevate your clientele. I could go on for hours, so I'll probably make a part 2 of this one. But for now, if you learned something, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, because you're listening to someone who's actually elite at what he does, not someone sitting behind a camera pretending. I wish you massive success this holiday season, and if you're looking for an amazing booth that comes with full instructions, video tutorials, and expert guidance by myself, go check my photo booth star booth at bootcorner.com right now. You can even pay in 12 installments. We are running a 10% discount this month only. If you apply what I teach here, you'll make that money back in less than 6 months, maybe even from your very next event.